guess if CityBridge forgot this phone was here, I guess nobody's going to be maintaining it. This is a sheet of, I don't know what material this is, but sometime in the last few months, the sides of this enclosure were smashed, the plexiglass was smashed, and somebody came along and put this sheet of something on top of the damage. I don't know what that means, but it would seem, if somebody's maintaining this, it would have to be CityBridge, right? Well, maybe it's just evidence that this is the kind of company where one hand doesn't know what the other's doing. But you can see where they taped it up, or taped it over. Anyway, this is news since yesterday, I think. And my radio card that I put here yesterday is gone today, so I just put that one in. Lots of activity, right?